Hey YouTube, how's it going? Specum Auto is back with a video today. So as you guys know, a few weeks ago I did a video on the door panels about trying to use the heat gun experiment and stuff. Obviously it didn't work out quite as much as I was hoping, but that's perfectly fine. As I discussed in the end of the last video, I was going to do another little quick project. Trust me, this one's going to be a lot quicker than the last one. So let's go ahead and cut to the chase and let's get started. Alright guys, you might remember this stuff from a video I did previously. I used this on the windshield cowling on my car last time. So this does state on the bottle that it is made for exterior plastic, vinyl, and rubber trim pieces. But we're going to try it on a plastic and vinyl interior piece. So you guys obviously know what back to black is if you've watched my last video. It's supposed to make your faded black plastics and vinyls back into the shiny gloss black. And it does say the extended durability lasts for weeks. They need to come up with a long-term thing for this. I don't like that it only lasts for weeks. But I'm hoping, since it's on an interior part that's not really going to be exposed to really much elements at all, besides maybe some sunlight and stuff on the top part, I'm hoping it'll last longer. So, let's go ahead and take this down. We're going to bring probably the worst door panel here, which would be... that's a tough one. It's these two back ones. Let's go ahead and use it on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this door panel down here on the floor so it's out of the way. We're going to go ahead and take this, bring it up to the table or workbench here. We're going to move all this crap out of the way. And we're going to sit this door panel here. Sorry for the view, guys. I needed two hands for that. But anyway. So you guys can see here the faded spot that's here and here and here. Pretty much the same as on that other door panel. It's like the same exact wear. I might be a little extreme or daring for using something designed for exterior trims for interior, but it's an experiment, so gotta try different things, right? And I'm also going to keep you guys updated on how long this will last on interior parts if it actually comes out good. So we're going to go ahead and read the instructions. Let's get you guys focused. Come on. There we go. Okay, shake well. For best results, apply to a dry, cool surface. Apply a small amount on a terry cloth or applicator pad, which I have the applicator pad sitting right there. Next, we will go ahead... Okay, this focus sucks. Alright. We're going to apply it to the pad, and it says to apply evenly through the area thoroughly. And then wipe excess with a clean towel. So, I do have a clean towel. It's down there, so that's okay. And then it said 2 to 3 applications might need being heated for neglected areas. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's safe to say that this is pretty well damn neglected. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to shake this bottle up. Really nice. I know it hasn't been used since the cowling video, which has been forever, so. Alright. Now we're going to apply a small amount of this stuff onto the applicating pad. Just like so. We're going to go ahead and start right here. Just going to spread it pretty thoroughly through. I'm a little nervous, guys, because I don't know how this is going to work on an interior piece, but I wanted to try it. Even if it doesn't work, it's okay. Like I said last time, there's plenty of other products to try, so this is just like the start. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take my little cloth down here. We're going to just wipe off the surface. It's a bit of a pain in the ass to do with one hand, but it's okay. We got this. We're professionals, right? Alright. I'm going to go ahead and a little bit more. Okay. We're going to do this again. You see how it spreads out. We're going to go ahead and just do this whole top area here. So we're going to spread it thoroughly. It looks like it's doing a little bit of something, but I'm not going to know for sure until we start wiping this excess off. It looks a little bit better. I think it's actually kind of working a little bit. It's giving me a little trouble on this other surface, but on this vinyl part, it's doing pretty well. Try to make it as evenly distributed as much as possible. Do a nice gentle wipe. Okay, now we're going to take our towel again and start wiping it down one more time. I'm actually kind of hoping this works. If it works, I'll be freaking shocked. So far, it looks like it might be working. Like, you can still kind of tell a little bit of the spot where it originally was faded, but this appears to work. For some reason, this plastic ain't really working with me as well, but the good news is it looks like up on this top vinyl half of the door panel, it's working really good. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my last third. I'll probably even go a little extra and do 4. And, you know, third and fourth layer of this stuff. Wipe it across, distribute like as I did on the last 2 I just now did. Wipe it off with a clean rag, and we'll see how the final result looks. Okay, guys, take a good look at this door panel, right? See all this white, fade, ugly. I'll even do a nice little close-up for you guys. Yeah, you see that real good, right? Now look at this. It looks a million times better, guys. I'm pretty sure this back to black stuff really did work. The thing I have to say about it, though, is if you're doing these 8th gen Civic door panels, I would do a little, like, I would do extra, like, circular hard scrubbing all the way through, because this material is a little more stubborn because the little patterns, you know, the little dips and stuff. But you see how much better this looks? This is what it looks like with at least 4 coats of that stuff. This Meguiar's back to black. So I guess it's safe to say that this stuff does also work on interior pieces as well as exterior pieces. I would say do these kind of experiments at your own risk, because if you guys do what I do and you get some sort of unwanted result or damage, I am not responsible for your damage. I am not responsible for your mistakes. Results will vary, because this is just a little experiment that I've been doing. I started out with a heat gun, started out with just plain old interior cleaner, and then I moved on to this. So this is all different experiments I've done. I'm not going to include me doing the rest of the door panels in this video, pretty much like I did with the last video, because it would just drag out the video too much. So this was just a little nice short quick video to try this exterior back to black stuff on an interior part, and obviously it works. I think if we throw some more interior cleaner over top of that, it'll give it that nice gloss finish. Like, it's already nice and glossy, but it'll give it that extra boost. So before I go, let's attempt that real quick. I'll do this on camera so you guys can see. So now that we got the Back to Black wiped on there, we're going to see how it reacts with this and this together. So, nice little coat. We don't need too much. We're going to take our rag here and we're going to start wiping. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Holy cow. This is a very, very beautiful finish. You guys have seen how terrible this door panel looked before. Now look at it. It's like it's not even the same door panel as it was. This is like a whole new and improved door panel. Pretty much fully restored. Alright, now we'll flip her back over. Put her in the light. Look at that, guys. You can't almost tell it was ever faded. You guys have to admit, this is impressive. So now I have discovered the secret recipe to fixing this, all this faded crap. We don't need this. We don't need any of this. Nobody wants this. Everybody wants this. So I am very happy I got to try this video out. I would not include the heat gun part because obviously the heat gun didn't do jack for it. So what I would do if I were you guys and you wanted to replicate this and try it for yourselves on your door panels and interior pieces, I would first clean the interior parts with the interior cleaner, followed by 3 to 4 coats of this. Then after that, after you wipe all this off, put one more very, very light layer of this on it, and this is how you get this beautiful black shine. This is the result I wanted to see the whole time. I am very thoroughly impressed, and I'm sure you guys that are watching this right now are very thoroughly impressed too. Okay guys, thank you so very much for following me on this little interior restoration journey. This project journey, these experiments. I tried 3 different experiments on this, just like the headlight experiments I did back in the day, but with door panels. First one didn't work, the second one was okay, but then this third result that I just did with the Ultimate Interior Cleaner and the Ultimate Back to Black is the successful project. So thank you guys very much for following me on this project. I hope this helps you, give you the ability to restore your interior pieces like this and do it just as good. I would suggest maybe every couple weeks reapply some interior cleaner on it so you guys can have that long-term shine so that fade doesn't come back. We don't want this fade to come back, guys. I'll keep doing this myself and I'll keep you guys updated. Probably about, I'll give you guys maybe a fair 5 to 6 months from now. I'll come back to you guys with a future update on these door panels. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Please share with your friends and family on all your social media platforms. I have Instagram, Facebook, and stuff. So if you guys want to see extra stuff once in a while. I don't post on them very often, but when I do, it's extra things that you won't see on YouTube, like live videos, funny videos, things like that. Also, yeah, most important, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm growing, guys, and I'm very happy about this. I'm very excited. Maybe this will be the channel for you guys for little projects and like experiments and stuff, because I love experimenting with car stuff. I love experimenting with these car parts, headlights, door panels, interior pieces, pretty much all that kind of stuff. But alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all in the next video.